So you're standing in the middle of the thunder and lightning. I know you're feeling like you just can't win, but you're trying. Hard to keep on keeping on when you're being pushed around. Don't even know which way is up, just keep spinning down, round, round. Every storm runs out of range, like every dark night turns into day. Every heartache